Now let me explain how to read the value of pKa's from the pH titration curve. To read the pKa's, you have to use the original pH titration curve. You cannot use the first and second derivative plots. But you do need numbers from the first and second derivative plots. From the first and second derivative plots, we can know the equivalence point volumes. Because this is a diprotic acid, we will get 2 volumes. We need to do a little calculation if we want to determine pKa values from this plot. We have to calculate half of the first volume. Then we need to calculate the average of the 2 volumes. These 2 volumes are the reference points for our enlarged plots. Because this is diprotic acid, we have pKa1 and pKa2. To read out pKa1, we need to enlarge this area, 5.42 milliliter, which is around this area. To make it readable, we will set the range of the x-axis from 5 to 6.00. 5.42 is between these 2 numbers. Also, we want to read out the pH very accurately. Therefore, we will set up the range of the y-axis between 2.20 and 2.60. This is what we are going to do. We will find out 5.42 milliliter on the x-axis, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.42, I think around here. Then we will use a ruler to draw a vertical line. There will be an intersection between this vertical line and this curve. Then from the intersection, we will draw a horizontal line. Hopefully this is horizontal. Then we will read out the pH at the intersection between this horizontal line and the y-axis. 2.20, 2.30, 2.40, I would say maybe 2.38. That will be the first number. Actually, this pH is pKa1. From pKa1, you can calculate Ka. Ka is equal to 10 to the negative pKa. Well, you cannot treat this as a final answer. You need to plug these numbers into a calculator to get the final answer. To read out pKa2 is very similar to the way we read out pKa1. We need to enlarge the area around this volume, 16.42. For my plot, I will choose between 15 and 17 because 16.42 is between these 2 numbers. We also need to change the range of the y-axis. I set it up from 5 to 7. The method is very similar. We find out the volume 16.42, 16.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.42. Then we draw a vertical line. Then we draw a horizontal line. Make sure it is horizontal. Then we read out the number here, 5.8, 5.9, 6.0, I would say maybe 6.02. Again, you need a calculator to get the number as your final answer. This is pKa1.